Okay. Okay, hello, how are we all doing? Finally Wednesday. Today's looking good on indices, I'm not gonna lie. How am I doing this morning? I'm doing good, bro. How are you? I'm good as well. I'm trying to see if we get a short little SMT. So we're gonna go over NQ today, as always. But you see this high? I kind of want to see this high get taken, and then a downside move gives in on NQ. That looks like the best play out of this range right now for me. Like a poke above here, and then a breakdown lower. Looks pretty good for downside, something like this. This is what I like. I've not checked gold, but I'm gonna take a look. ES looks pretty strong too. Same with Dow. So they're all in sync, which is a rare sighting, but it's good to see. So gold today, let me see the 4-hour, how it's looking. I mean, it's trading at 4,200, which is crazy to me. Like this market has really just blown out of where I thought it was gonna go. I think still though, it probably has higher, like 4,500 is looking like the sweet spot on this market as for now. So I'd be looking for gold to push higher, take out this high on the 4-hour. Today, I would want to see a run at this low. We get a low and then some sort of a push to the upside would be the best thing. Good price action on gold, yeah. For indices, I mean, the only index you really need to watch is only NQ, I would say. Yo, how you guys doing? Welcome in. If you were on the last stream on, what do you call it? Monday, my Wi-Fi completely cut out like 1 minute before, so had to get Julian to do it. He's here today, right? Let me see. Oh yeah, he's here. All right, good. But yeah, today we'll still be able to do the giveaway accounts. All good. Let's see. Dude, MNQ's actually ran the high as well. I'm gonna look at micros today. So mainly just looking for a push higher, taking out this high. Once we get the high, I would look for some sort of a short setup. I know this market's pretty bullish, higher time frame, but in terms of my model goes, mainly just wanting to see a run lower wouldn't be the worst of ideas. Give me a run to 25.045. Then should be a bit smooth sailing from there. What was I watching on forex? I was looking at something in the forex market. Oh yeah, GBP USD. We were watching for run of this low, then some sort of reversal. So if we get like Tuesday low of the week, I want to see this high get taken out. Good morning. Good morning as well. When is the giveaway? The giveaway is in whenever I want the giveaway to be, bro. That's when the giveaway is going to be. We can sit here all day and we'll wait for the giveaway. Until NQ gives me this sell-off, then if NQ sells off today, then we'll do the giveaway. How about that? Would be amazing. So I hope NQ sells off. And then gold pushes lower, takes out this low, then we are good. But I think Dow might look the better today. These three of how they're moving. Let's see. All stocks actually closed red yesterday, especially Nvidia. It closed bearish. Crazy SMT with NQ as well right now, I think. Yeah. So this was yesterday's candle, right? It took out both high and low of this. Typically, this means that there is a reversal inbound. So like drop here, takes out both high and low. I mean, wouldn't be the worst of ideas to take out 25.041. So into the open, we should take that out. If we run lower first, then I think we will get the run to the upside. I'm here for the knowledge, but I think you gotta sell. It does. I want gold to go lower to buy. So like if it takes out this low, I want to buy around these levels to target this high. Like right here. I gotta look at the gold CFD market though, but 50% around here of this wick. But I want to see it run this low, then push higher to 4,000. And then NQ run this high, push lower. What's my view? Yeah, those of you that are coming in, mainly just looking at NQ taking out this high. Once it takes out the high, I kind of want to see it run lower. It's looking pretty bullish from 4-hour standpoint, but in terms of my model goes this upside. I actually took a short scalp to the high. So those of you that trade my range, you know that this is where you're looking for the market to take out the low. So it takes out the low right here and then targets the high with my model. Very nice. It's actually very clean as well. Closure above this candle, shifts delivery, and then into 3:15 or 3 a.m. to be exact, completes the delivery. So that was nice little move. Same process I'm looking for today. Trading above the high of the range, takes out the high, then we can look for the run to the low. What am I expecting for gold? I want to see if I can pull up the futures contract. Yeah, on gold, I want to see it take out this low and then trade higher. Like, I kind of want to see it still be bullish. It's a bullish market, so you might as well just take any buying setup it gives. But if it trades lower first, then I'm looking for the upside to be given. Yeah, gold is pretty bullish. I've been bullish for a while. I wouldn't say negatively. It's just like without the data, this market's been very slow. Like it doesn't know what it wants to do. And because of that, it's just been chopping a lot. I mean, it's still delivering, just being very choppy now. So that's the only thing that's been a downfall in this market. So like 24, 6-4-ish areas, like this area, if we get even higher, this is kind of where I want to sell NQ, or I'll try a short from there. Like this region pairs up nicely with a, where is the hourly, around 50% of this hourly gap as well. If we look right here, it's kind of what I want to see. It's good for a scalp. You mean gold or NQ? If it's NQ though, I'm looking for a position like this with 20 points to break down. Yeah, we will. If we take out the low of the range first, then it'll probably just push to the upside though. Hey, how you doing, bro? You wait. Dude, Dow is already gone. This market's way too weak. Same with the S. I don't know, NQ still gotta run above. What's my risk? It depends on the trade, to be honest. If I take this short, I'm probably gonna risk like $500. That's what I'm leaning towards right now. We'll have to see. I'm kind of watching Dow at the same time. It's like a limit around, I might look for a limit around 25.64-ish areas on NQ today. I just have a 20-point stop from there. What about risk to reward? I'm mainly aiming for like 1 to 3s. I always like hard TP though, I don't partial or anything like that. During trade, mainly 1 to 3s. Like this was a 1 to 3 this morning. I took a long out of these highs, targeting these highs anyway. Oh yeah, 22nd of October. We're gonna have, if you guys know, you should know, MMXM trader. He's gonna come on a live, so it'll be me, him, and Matt. And then on Friday, bringing on another special guest for a stream as well. Which one should you prefer for an SMT? I'm mainly only looking at NQ and ES for SMTs. Nowadays, I used to look at NQ and Dow, but because Dow's been so decoupled, I don't even look at Dow for an SMT that much. You lost 2 consecutive days. What happened, bro? What did you trade? Yo, how you doing, loving nature guy? Good to see your account. Yeah, that username's pretty funny. Like whenever I read it. Alright, NQ's kind of looking the strongest heading into this open. Gold's pushing. I mean, gold does have this high as a target. I wanted to see it run lower first. Yo. Oh, by the way, the orange box or the pink box is around 25.064 if you wanted to know. That's kind of where I'm going to position myself in or try it. And see. How to come over FOMO. Honestly, my trade, like I take like 2 or 3 trades. Like that's how much I've been averaging per week for like the past 3 months. Which is crazy. I used to take around minimum 6 a week. Like I'd take a few losses here and there, but again, right now I've been very selective in my trading because I don't really like most of this price action. Like not today, but just in general. So I've just been a bit more conservative on it. I've mainly been trading London. It's been offering my model pretty nicely. We ran the low. I was looking for the high. Got the high. Today I'm looking for a short around 25.64-ish areas. Touches this, then that's all I'm going to be happy with. It is going to be bullish. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, all I can do is just still follow my model. So if it goes up to here, I'm going to try and short it. I'm not buying it up here. I want to see it take out some of these highs. Sell from 25. To be honest, I'd rather be selling a bit above here, like 25,064. I don't want to sell down here, especially into the open. We got an SMT being made though. With the yes. I'm hoping it doesn't run this low straight away. Only target based, to be honest. I don't trade based off profit. Like if I shorted here, if the market is at 50%, I would either hard TP there. If it's still weak, then I just hard TP here. I mainly just do it off where I'm targeting. But yeah, guys, I have a short limit around here. We're at a 20-point stop. Kind of bigger into today, but I mean, I don't mind it. That's kind of what I'm looking at. This is on my personal account as well. It will take some time to, yeah, I mean, into the open, I kind of want to see it manipulate higher first. Then, I mean, it's only, I think, 25 points away. Yeah, like 40 points. It's got that. No, that's the only trade I'll look at today. If it's a loss or a win. Into today. Like, all of these lows just look way too clean to me to be left. Where did we open? As soon as we opened, we just pushed all the way higher. Like, I want to see it clear out these lows. Like, even if we do push to the upside, I'm not buying the market because it's outside my model. Could do with the Judas swing at 9:30. Yeah, that's pretty much a lot what I look at. But this is my range. So you see here, this low, this high. I think into the open, it's either going to take out the low like this or run out the high like this. The chart is a blur. Try to change the settings on YouTube. I think you can change it to like 180p settings, but my entries kind of be at 25,062 on the futures market. We can go long US. Do not like that's probably the worst market you can trade. Any CHF pair, they're like the worst. Just don't even trade forex at all, actually. Just day trade futures, index futures to be exact. Like forex is so like unless you're trading on the higher time frame, then I guess it's valid, but anything other than that, it's so boring. Because there's no volatility drivers in that market either. Like indexes, they have 9:30 open, so the opening bell. The forex market has none of that. Gold, yeah, I'm gonna put an alert here. If gold runs this low, then I will look at it. No, I kind of want the shorts, bro. Like I'm taking a short from here, 25.064-ish. Like I know it's gonna run this low and then push up higher, like in terms of my model, but it's just gonna do it way too quick for me to get into that, or like even run this high. That's kind of what I want to see. That'll be my only trade for New York today. This is the one that I took on London though. Run the low, grab the high. I was looking at these highs to get taken to. Bro, you literally just repeated why it didn't say. When will be the giveaway? Ask Gideon. He holds the power for the giveaways. I think we're streaming in 1080p. Should be able to change it. Alright, yes, run this low, so I mean, the easiest target is this high up here. Same with Dow. Dow should get this high. Rushed into this open. It's 720. Damn, that's so weird. Let me check the settings. I'm 99% sure we're on 4. No, we're not on 4K. I think it's 1080p. Try going into the advanced settings on YouTube. It will let you change it, I believe. What do you do after a profitable trade? I don't look at the charts at all. You lost 2 accounts today. No way. What did you do? My trading setup. I have quite a few things here. Let me know what you want to know. I have my office. This is pretty much my office where I do anything. Just play around in here, I guess. Trade as well. I guess my monitor, this monitor was like 1,500. It's like 49 inches. Kind of crazy. Yeah. So it's like a room that I turned into an office. Oh, we nearly got the open 15 seconds away. I want to see this high. Take this high. I'll get in around this level. Yeah, we got a huge regular. I want to see a fill of this whole gap to trade into it. And like take all of these lows out. It better not crash and burn without me. No way, it's gonna crash and burn without me, isn't it? Oh, okay, so... Oh, Dow's gone. I mean, Dow should clear all of this. Like, it should get to like 46,576. NQ, I'm kind of targeting this low, 24,877. I know. I still have a sell limit up here, though. Maybe if it gets hit, then... You saw people trading with a negative risk to reward. I don't know about that. Me personally, I don't trade with that. But if you do, then hats off. On futures, nah, I would go for... I mean, a 1-to-1 is pretty good on futures. Like they are risking 2,000 to get 1,000. I don't know. I wouldn't do that. If you wanted to do that with like a no consistency account, then I guess, but then you'll probably blow the account in one trade if it goes the other way. So why not risk like 700? At least you have a few shots to try and make it. But yeah, NQ, I'm targeting these lows, but in terms of trying to get in this, it's not going to let me. Like this whole gap should get filled in. Minimum 50% would be my take on it. Like these two lows look pretty nice. Longs in play. Yeah, for the model, yeah, but I wanted the downside a lot more. That's why I wanted to short up here. If we leave these lows and then push higher, I'll try it. No, if you have a profit target of 2K, risking like 2,000 is gonna be kind of insane. Oh yeah, please tell me you caught that on Tesla. But this is your setup, bro. Nvidia too, this is your setup. You had to have gotten on that in your options account. Nice, I thought you would have. Where did you get in? Like 473? 437, sorry. Bro, you missed the giveaway. You missed the giveaway, bro. Like the giveaway happened, all the winners won it. You missed it. Dow's chopping, but I think if Dow runs the high, should be an SMT. Do I own my own Discord? Yeah, I have a free Discord. Oh, that's a good entry. You got the gap fill as well. Very nice. Yeah, over here, guys, I just want to see if NQ stays weak, closing below this wick. Yeah, the giveaway happened 20 minutes ago. It's already happened. Yeah. I mean, this is a good area to TP. It's already given 50%. Into there. See the 15-minute. I don't know. Rest of today, I kind of want to just see these indices stay pretty heavy. If it pushes up, takes out this high, I'm going to lean towards selling it here. And I want one of them to give me an SMT. Oh, there goes Dow. Should take out this high. This is for my model's sake. We run the low, target the high, like mechanically. That's what should happen. One of these to give the SMT. Come on. You're already done for the day on ES? Nice. What did you take? The longs? The longs were pretty nice. This is how indices run. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, Dow just got the high. Nice. What did you take that based on? My model or just your own thesis? Alright, cooking up an SMT with Dow here. I want to just see you use this as a immediate rebalance. Nice, bro. Good stuff. NQ should remain weak here. Dow's given the SMT above the high. Get NQ to push. What about gold? Yeah, give me this run at this low on gold, then I'll look to buy it to this high. Nasdaq selling off. I mean, it's kind of what we expected, right? I wanted it here though, but it's still a bit more downside to come on this. I think if I run this low, should be enough to box it off. Let me see. Once it closes below this low, then I'll probably just remove my limit for the downside that I had, like all the way to this low. All right, nearly there. Am I using TradingView subscription? Yeah, you got to buy the data. That's why. For indices or the futures market. We got the closure below still. Holding the SMT with Dow. I won't stop until NQ takes this low. And then we get the fill with a bit more of this gap. You the goat. Did you manage to get in that? It's pretty nice. On. Thank you. I want to see this final logo though. I kind of want to just see it reverse it all, to be honest, all this bullish price action that it had this morning. Run out the lows. Get the lows. But I also removed my sell limit that I had up here. Mainly because we already sold off. So this was the move I kind of wanted. Just to run lower. They already delivered it. I still like to see more of a run lower though, maybe into 24.87-ish areas. I think most of the stocks are recovering though. Yeah, Nvidia fully closed in the gap. So if you trade NQ or you trade ES or whatever, mainly NQ, you should be looking at Nvidia because whatever this market does, usually it's what NQ will do. So if Nvidia has weakness, NQ will follow along with the weakness right here, runs all these lows, gets back into the gap. Nvidia catches strength, like here, NQ will gain a bit of strength too. It's clean. NQ was or gold? Gold should get these highs. Like it looks way too clean to leave these highs. They should definitely go under a new all-time high target as well when I look at that market. Alright, this candle has 2 minutes. If it's closing bullish, then it's going to stop its expansion to the downside. Because at these lows, ES has an SMT. We'll just want to see it stay weak. And this 15-minute candle, I want to see it close below this gap. It has like 1 minute 30 seconds. I want to see it close below there. Closes below, then we still have these lows as our target that we were looking at. And I guess ES can be the strongest if it wanted to. How many points away? We're only 30 points away from this low. Should be able to get it. 40 seconds. And we're closing below the gap. Lovely stuff. It's not going up. I mean, yeah, we was bearish today anyway. We were looking for these lows and the fill of this gap. I still want 50% filled in. My sell limit was here though. At 9:30, I wanted to see us push higher and then drop off lower. Let me see. ES is holding. So this red line right here is 820's opening price. It's mainly for the bond market. So you can see it touches it right to the tick. Pretty clean. All right, this 15-minute close below this gap, so let's see what it does. If we leave this low, then that's just criminal. Unrelated perfume. Yeah, let me know what you guys were. Like, I have my collection right there. I have, I don't know, name it. Tesla filled. Yeah, I got the gap right to the tick. Did you TP? Dude, I just want to see NQ take out the low. But yeah, perfume, I mean, I don't know what I got actually. I just got a lot. Like Louis Vuitton's Imagination is probably my favorite or the best one. Oh, nice. Dude, stocks may be back. Nvidia too. Did you see it deliver? Come on, NQ, stay weak. Stay weak. Get the last lows. Bro has the yeah, bro, you missed the giveaway. Like the giveaway ended 45 minutes ago. This. Bro, you missed the giveaway. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of Spice Bomb. It doesn't smell that nice. Am I bearish? Yeah, bro, I still want to see this low get taken. My entry was originally here, though, at the open. If it pushed higher, I would have shorted. It's already given it. As long as Nvidia stays weak, like this is weak, you know. I want to see it stay even more weak. Yeah, I have a decent collection. I mean, it's not the greatest. I like more of the niche fragrances, I guess you can say. Come on, we're nearly there at this low. 15 points. Nearly there. Give me the low. Before this stream ends, we need to see this low go. What is the blue thing behind me? That's my bag. It's probably one of... Yes, we got a low. There we go. All right. Beautiful. That's pretty much all I wanted for today. And then the fill of this gap. So, amazing. Still bearish. I mean, the next target for me is just this low here, then I'm done. Love you, bro. Did you take it? I bet some of you guys were so over leveraged on those shorts. Like every single day after the stream, I always get some people messaging me like, bro, I risked my whole account on the bias that you gave. So there we go. Very nice. So yeah, well done to those of you that got it. The main reason why I was bearish today was looking at here. Usually, if we just pump the whole like overnight, so from Asia, London, and then into New York, we're just one-sided. Usually, I just want to see a reversal of that. So here, it just caters to my A plus setup for a reversal. That's why I was looking short here. 930 pushes higher. I'm in for that run even lower, and then targeting this low. So that's pretty much all I'm looking for today, and it's gave it pretty nicely. I think if it's weak, it's going to take out all of these loads as well. closing the RTH gap. That candle breach, bro. What did you do? Like, what did you do in this price leg? ES didn't move, neither did Dow. NQ is the only one, so was on our side today. Interesting move, unpredictable. Do you think? I mean, that's pretty much all I was looking for to start the stream. No way you're watching RTH. I mean, on Tesla, it still looks strong, you know. But the retracement that we wanted, it gave, so I'm happy with that. And we got it in the first 30, so can't complain, can't complain. I think ES will probably be the strongest for the rest of the day because they let NQ retrace, like get all of this low, and then Nvidia as well. It's already filled in the gap, so if we wanted to push higher, back into this gap is going to support NQ to get out of here. And then target this high, like this high looks like decent target for the rest of the day. Yeah, Tesla was pretty much everything I wanted on NQ. I'm surprised you got in on Tesla today. It looked like a pretty quick move. I didn't think you were back trading options. But that's nice. ES is pushing. Once ES closes above, I mean, NQ should follow along. But what we wanted for the day played very nicely. So was NQ though. NQ actually was a nice one. For the rest of today, if you guys didn't get in on those shorts, I actually think it has a higher run in it, like back to 25,044. Like it wouldn't be the worst of plays right now because it completed the range. It's going up. Yeah, I think the target can be 25,044. I mean, the downside move's the only thing I wanted, so that's kind of it. I don't really care for the rest of the day on this market. Genius, bro. You took it. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Yes is strong. Push it. Nice. We got the SMT too. Let's see. Nvidia's pushing it. Once Nvidia just pushes higher, like if it gets back to 183, NQ should rocket on, get into this high at a minimum. But for today, all I was looking for was this downside move, targeting this low, and we got it. So that's enough for me, and I know a lot of you took that, so very nice. I can't believe some people actually came in here, asked if the giveaway ended. I said it ended, and they actually left the stream. So now they don't even get the chance to win the giveaway. Like, what do I have to do now, you know? Dude, look at the daily on NQ right now. I have not left. Good, bro. That's good. That's good. So you stayed while the others left. And you gained something from this as well. You gained my range. You're feeling FOMO? I mean, the target's still higher. I think 25,044. But if you're feeling FOMO, then get off the charts, you know. I'm just giving my little bias on it. My thesis, you can say. All right, we got 2 minutes until 10. Bet stop. Yeah, I mean, that's my rule as well. Like today, I would have shorted this market 2 times. Like here, this was my first short, 25,062. If I took a stop there, then I would have shorted again. Like I would have taken 2 shorts. If I'm wrong, then I'm just wrong in the day. Like now, it delivered the short, so I'm no longer interested in that, you know? Now I can see that it still wants to push higher. Like this is my model. Takes a low, runs the high, 25. Okay, it's in its horizon, 25,044. NQ still comes down. Maybe. I think it has this high in it first, 25,044. Then it might. Yeah, the giveaway just ended, guys. All right, now we'll actually do the giveaway. So, for the winners of this, you just got to type the word TSLA. That's it for the winners of this giveaway. TSLA. No, not NQ. No, not. Bro, until what do you guys actually type it the right way? I'm not picking the winners. TSLA. All right. First winner I have is Champion. That's the first guy. Not, and then next one I have is Ram. TSLA. All right, there we go. That was the easiest way to win an account today because everyone typed the wrong thing. So well done to those of you that won. Matt's going live today at 11 a.m. Eastern, so you can hang out with him. He will have some accounts to give away, but I will be live again on Friday. So I hope you guys did enjoy, get something from it. If you are long, then 2504 looks like a nice target. So I'll speak to all of you on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch you in a bit.